In the not-so-distant future, Advanced General Intelligence, AGI, will redefine the landscape of semiconductor test program development, leveraging the wealth of information contained within a simple datasheet to ensure devices achieve unparalleled levels of performance and reliability. The journey will begin with the Semiconductor Datasheet, an exhaustive document that outlines a semiconductor device's capabilities and constraints. This datasheet will become the AGI's guide, providing the necessary data to understand and interact with the device. AGI will meticulously extract vital information from the datasheet, including absolute maximum ratings, electrical characteristics, and recommended operating conditions. This data will be standardized through sophisticated algorithms, setting the stage for the following comprehensive analysis. AGI will then proceed to select the most relevant features from the datasheet. This selection process is critical as it determines the focus of the testing program. By constructing a feature matrix, AGI will outline the foundation upon which its models will learn and predict. With the relevant features identified, AGI will train its AI model, which will adopt the complexity of the semiconductor device and the specific nature of the tests required. AGI's capabilities genuinely shine in this training phase as it learns the intricate relationship between a device's operating conditions and performance metrics derived from the datasheet. Once trained, the AGI's model will be capable of simulating the device's behavior under a wide array of conditions, extending well beyond those explicitly tested in the past. It will predict various outcomes, such as how the device performs under different scenarios, where it might fail, and its optimal operating conditions. This predictive power will be crucial for understanding the device's full potential before physical testing begins. Utilizing its predictive insights, AGI will generate comprehensive test cases that cover the full spectrum of conditions outlined in the datasheet. It will automate the execution of these tests, measuring the device's performance and comparing it to the expected outcomes. This phase represents the culmination of AGI's analysis, where digital insights get transformed into actionable test programs. In the final stages, AGI will optimize the test parameters for efficiency and effectiveness, focusing on the device's most critical performance. Validation against the datasheet specifications will ensure that the device meets and exceeds established standards. The advent of AGI in developing test programs from datasheets will mark a significant leap forward in semiconductor testing. It heralds an era where testing is faster, more accurate, and more predictive, ensuring that devices meet today's standards and are ready for tomorrow's challenges. This futuristic approach will unlock the full potential of semiconductors powered by AGI's unparalleled intelligence and adaptability.